All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So astonish. Astonish. Whoa. Astonish. Wow. Like, let's try and get a picture like, whoa. Astonish. Or even like, where is it? Where would it be? Like, mind is blown. Like, what is this? What? Here we are. There we are. Wow. Wow. What is this? Surprise. Surprised or impressed a lot. Like, wow. That's really, really cool. Wow. Astonished. Wow. Wow. Let's change that. Wow. Wow. I am astonished. Yeah, he is always astonished with the new technology. Yeah, new tech. Yeah. He is astonished with their progress. They were astonished with what I have achieved. So they were astonished with what I've achieved. He feels astonished because of what she did. Yeah. She is always astonished by him and what he can do. Yeah. I always astonish my friends with my tricks, for example. My tricks. How cool is that? Yeah. They always astonish me. Yeah. Their choices astonished us all. Yeah. He has always been astonishing. He's always been astonishing. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. She likes to be astonished. Yes. So she likes these magic tricks. They are so astonishing. They're so astonishing. Like, wow. Wow. How cool is that? He is astonishing them on stage. Yeah. So when he gets on stage, the whole audience will be astonished. Yeah. They will be amazed at his abilities. His abilities, yeah. He will astonish them with mystery. He will astonish them with mystery. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So I will astonish them. So how do you think she can astonish her family? What has she done? What has she done? Whoa. That, I think it is right to say that astonished them all. That's the right thing to say, that astonished them all. Whoa. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use astonish in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.